Fly is on. I don't think I'll mess with that one anymore. This could be tricky here. Get off my... You're always landing where I don't want you to. There we go.
There you go. Oh, nice, nice.
Look, he fell off. He counts. Nice one. He's starting to get a little color too.
Wow, yeah. It's pretty good.
Is that the end of the pools?
Oh, there's one more. Let me give that one a try.
Dry off the fly. I knew there had to be something down in that deep area with all the sticks there.
Yep.
Is it sinking? I squeeze it. I don't just dab it, I squeeze it. It's not going to hurt the fly. Spooked one? Where was he?
He was right on the inside here, so he shot right underneath the rock.
Oh. Yeah, if you saw him and spooked him. These little trout are the toughest little things you've ever fished for, aren't they? So was that a little 4-inch fish that showed you up? Yeah. We're getting taken to the woodshed by 5- and 6-inch fish. Is there anything? Not really. Are these all already pushed down? Looks like somebody's been through here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I doubt they have been this morning. Could be your bear.
Look at him.
Just shot up.
Mm-hmm.
Try right here. I mean, he's probably gone if we spooked. That just run one through there. It's part of the problem is you don't see how good they are until you're right upon them, and it's too late. Other than the sticks in front of that next one, you got a wide open casting lane. And you could try it. There you go.
Oh my God. Wow.
That's a brook trout.
Nope, can't say I didn't get one.
You had to work for him too.
Yeah. Let me try that pull. I gotta get something bigger than that.
I was fishing the Redington, the 2/8 butter stick here with Eric, and we did not have issues with them coming off like we've had today.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Some rods I have issues, like Cabela CGRs, I have issues with it. The Moonlight, I don't seem to.